Alright, what's up guys? So I'm just filling up my gas here, and I've been using this app called GetUpside. By the way, I'm going to leave a link down below for you to sign up, and you'll get a bonus if you use my link and code. But I fill up gas here. I'm at the gas station, and I got, this isn't how much money in total I've gotten, but this is just what I've gotten lately. This is a really cool app, but I just wanted to make this video and see, am I the biggest earner on this app? This app is absolutely crazy. So I'm just going to, I'll just show you guys how much I've made on this app. But basically they pay you every time you fill up gas. They give you cash back. Plus, if you refer enough people, you start getting a lot of money. So I encourage you, if you're watching this, use my link and code down below. You'll get a little bonus. And then share your own referral code with other people, because this is crazy. So if you go in here, I've referred so many people that next time I fill up gas, I'm gonna get $21 cash back. 21 bucks cash back per gallon. So if I fill up 10 gallons, that's 200 bucks. So this is my total lifetime earnings. $4,917. Last time I filled up, I got 2,500 bucks because I filled up 50 gallons. 1,000 bucks, 400 bucks. Money adds up. By the way, if you have made more than me, make a video or comment down below with how much you've made, because I actually think I might be the #1 person on this app. Also, this is how many people I've referred. I've referred 3,400 people. So obviously, you know, if you want to compete against me, you're gonna have to refer some people. But use my link and code to sign up, and then once you get your own link and code, go into here. So this is my code, right? Dylan8876. You'll get your own code, then share your own code. So use mine first. You know, I'll leave the link right below here, and then share your own code. So again, this is how much I've had in total. Let me know if anyone out there has made more money than me on this app. I'm curious. All right, thank you all for watching, and all right, talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.